How to use AmzKeyword Research Tool. I hope you have installed the AmzKeyword Research Tool on your Chrome browser, as shown in the previous video tutorial. Make sure you can see the extension icon on the Chrome browser toolbar. First, go to the Amazon marketplace you are targeting. As mentioned earlier, this software supports 18 Amazon websites from around the world. As an example, let's use Amazon.com. Enter the primary keyword you want to target. Ensure these are the niche products you want to target. Click on the search box and type the keyword. Amazon suggestions will automatically populate below the search box. Once the suggested keywords appear, click on the app extension icon at the top right area of the browser. As you can see, the app interface pop-up has appeared. Use the buttons to collect, copy, download, or delete keywords as needed. You can see that those suggested keywords are already added to the list. This way, you can copy all the keyword suggestions Amazon provides into the keyword list. Change the keyword slightly and click on the app icon. As you can see, Amazon's listed keywords are added here. This way, you can add different niche keywords to this list. Note that this is a unique list. There are no duplicates here. You can remove unrelated keywords from the list manually. When you remove keywords, the counter will update as shown here. You can copy this list or download it as a CSV file using these options. Next, let's see how to collect a large list of keywords automatically. Let's start with a new niche keyword phrase. Use this option to delete the existing list. Enter the primary keyword here. Press the Enter key. Ensure these are the niche products to target. Move the mouse pointer to the search box. Wait for Amazon to list the suggested keywords. Once the suggested keyword list appears, click on the app icon. Those keywords will be added to the text area. Next, click on the Auto Collect button. Then, wait for the app to collect all relevant keywords. Note that you have to wait and keep the tab open to complete this process. If you close this tab or click on any other tabs, this process will stop. Do not click anywhere on the page. Just wait until this process is complete. If you want to stop, click anywhere on this page or press the Stop Collect button. Note that what we collected here is the latest, updated Amazon keyword list. You can delete any of the keywords you find irrelevant. Once the keyword list is ready, use this link to copy the list. Open Notepad, paste the list there, and save it. You can also download the list in CSV format. You can open this CSV keyword file using Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice, Apple Numbers, Google Sheets, or any other program. Upload this list for your promotion or any advanced keyword analysis. Now you can create new products or Amazon listings based on the keyword list. Make sure to download the existing list before deleting it and proceed with different niche keywords. Now you can effectively gather and manage Amazon keyword suggestions to enhance your keyword research strategy. If you have any questions or suggestions for new features, please contact us. Hope you enjoy these video tutorials. Thanks for watching.